Picking the right soundtrack for your video helps put your viewers in a more favorable psychological state when they're watching your video. Here's a 10-second promo video we ran for Video Igniter with a bad soundtrack, and then I'll play it again with the good soundtrack. Note how the first one kind of disrupts your consumption experience, and the second soundtrack makes the video more enjoyable to consume. Pretty big difference, right? Now that you can appreciate how a good soundtrack can suck people into your video, here are some sites you can visit to search for the ideal soundtrack for your video. If you're looking for a free soundtrack, check out Incompetech.com. On the paid side of things, Premium Beat, Audio Jungle, and Tunefruit.com have great selections of reasonably priced soundtracks that you can use for your video. You can go ahead and download watermarked versions of the soundtracks for free so that you can try putting them in the background of your video to feel how they meld with the visuals and voiceover. Sometimes it takes a few tries, but eventually you'll find one that just feels right. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support the show, share this content with someone who will find it useful, and you can subscribe or like the content on these channels.